Left, keep to the left. Mirror signal left. Quick looks, right, left, right. Keep going. Must keep to the left here. Roundabout, you're going to go left, first exit. Get a bit closer. If it goes off, put it back on. Quick look to your right. And then go to the right side. Go to the right side, Straighten up. Clutch. You're going to go to the right lane closest to the roundabout. Just drive straight to it, okay? Mirrors. Quick looks, quick. Not too close to the curb. Now you're going to go to the second lane from the right. It's going to be marked for leads. So follow the curb, see the second lane.
Second lane to the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just go around. Keep close to the curb here. There's the second lane. Quick look in the left mirror and go to the second lane. Now stay in the centre of your lane. A little bit more gas. More gas. Now stay in the centre of your lane. Don't get distracted by other road users.
I was trying to avoid the pothole there.
In that case, just check the mirror first. Sometimes let the potholes go under the car. Lights. Quick check in the mirror. Now you're in a 40 mile zone. Now we're going to Pudsey. The bus lane is not in operation today because it's Sunday, so you're going to use that left lane. Yeah. Keep. Second gear. Stay in your lane. Keep moving slowly. Keep going. So, and then go around behind the white car. Still do your tyres and tarmac. And then just keep to the outside on the left. Do a bit more gas. Keep to the left. Go around. A bit more gas. Into second gear. Now the two lanes are going to become one. Right mirror, yeah. And it's a 30 mile zone now. Off we go. Right, hazard ahead. What is it? Yeah. So ease off a little bit. There's only one person getting on, so the bus might start moving. So look, keep an eye on the indicator. Just look to your right to see if it's safe. Now check your left and centre mirror, and now stay behind the bus. So a little bit more gas for the hill. Keep it near 1820 for this bend. The bus might park up, it's going to get a little bit narrow here as well. You're going to take the road on the right by the memorial stand. Can you see it? Just a bit further on. Check your right mirror for the car. Parked car. It's that first road on the right there. Yeah, this one. Don't cross the line. Look ahead. Okay. Go into first gear, get closer, mirror with the middle of the road. Keep going, and then off you go. You can go before that one. Go 20 miles on. Mirror check. You take your first road on the left. Can you see where it is? Yeah. End of the road, go right. New speed limit as well. No, first, yeah. Right up to the giveaway line. You look right, left, right. Yeah, go forward and then steer. A little bit of gas as well. Mirror check. What do the solid white lines in the middle of the road mean? Yeah, can't overtake them. Not too close to the curve, don't swing into the curve, follow it. Yeah, if you come into it, what could happen? You could hit the curve. At the end of the road, go left. A bit early, there was a side road there, wasn't there? Follow the bend. Start looking before you get to the end. See if you can keep going. Yep, so off we go. As long as you make sure you do that left, right, left check. Bend. There's quite a few bends on this road, but don't go towards the right lane. You try and keep it in the centre at all times. You've got a habit of coming into the bends rather than just following the bend. A little bit of brake here. Then gently back on the gas. A little bit of brake. A little bit of gas. End of the road, we're going to go left. I'm just going to tell you how to do this. Now ease off the gas. Now no brake, put it into first gear. Slowly bring the clutch back up, keep moving. That's it, keep moving, keep moving. Mirror signal left. Keep moving, don't get not too close. Start looking now, right, left, right. Can we keep going? Yep. See how we did that? We put it in gear, started moving up the hill and we did the checks. Change. What else? New information. What have you got here? For you. A little bit of brake. Look, they're still braking ahead because cars are turning left. And then ease off the brake. Keep going. Keep going. Ease off the brake. Keep going. Now, the next traffic lights, we're going to turn left just before the traffic lights. So our left is not connected to the traffic lights. So start slowing down. Right, mirror signal left. Usual slow down second gear. Try and come a little bit closer to the curb. Can you see the left? Follow the left. Clutch down, you've got space to go through. Keep going, keep going. Steer. Get your first gear ready. Now start looking to your right. Can we keep moving? Yeah, so a little bit of gas and off you go. That's it, keep to the left, a bit more gas. Do a mirror check. into second gear. Now we've got a roundabout coming up, we're going to go right, third exit. So mirror signal right, and then wait for your gap. Right. Ease off the gas just a little bit. Right, this white car's giving you way, it's just flashed at you, so off you go. Signal off, and carry on. A little bit brake, we're going to go right, so mirror signal right. A little bit brake, look, is anything coming round?
Yeah.
Right, so what gear are you going to put it in? Yeah. Right, there's look, that car coming round. Right, that one's moving now. Now have you got a gap? Yeah, gently, gently. Leave it in first gear if you want. Keep going round. Now what you're going to do here, you're going to check, don't hit the curb. Mirror signal. You oversteered it, we nearly hit the... Sorry, sometimes you steer too much. What would have happened if you hit that curb? Yeah. Right, roundabout you're going to go left. So what are you going to do? Yeah. Yeah, where are you going to look? Yeah. Look. But there's nothing indicating to come round, there's nothing there, so check again. You know, if you hit that roundabout, it's not going to be good on my little car, is it? Ease off the gas, you're going to go right at this roundabout, so mirror signal right. Slow down, second gear to start with. Keep to the right side. You can see traffic coming. You're going to be straight into first gear. Keep steering. You need to put that indicator back on. This time don't get too close to the roundabout. Keep checking. Right, get your bike ready. Hold it, hold it. Off you go. A little bit of gas into the right side, but not too close. Right, do the second gear now. Keep going round. Straighten up, check the left mirror, indicate left, check again, and go. Now we're better. Now this bit's 30 until we join the dual carriageway, which is a 50-mile zone. Into third gear. Okay, so do not go over 30 until you pass that sign. Right, check your mirrors, off we go. Give it some, bit more, come on, more, put it into fourth gear. Off the gas, so it's now mirror signal right, and just keep checking for your gap. Keep peeping, have you got a gap? Just slide in gently, signal off, do a mirror check, and carry on. We've got a slip lane joining us, so we need to see if anything's coming. So just quick little peeps. Nothing there, so carry on. Now at a roundabout we're going to follow signs of Bradford. So the first exit left. There's some traffic lights at the roundabout, but our lane for left is not connected to the traffic lights. Ours is a pedestrian crossing light. Yeah, so mirror signal left. So we're not looking at we're going to look at our separate traffic light. Right, slow down, signal off, into third gear. And off we go. Now we're on a 40-mile-per-hour road. Right, just keep in the centre of your lane. Try not to go on these yellow lines. Now look out for anything parked up in this lane. If there is, we've got to deal with it early. I can see something there. Is that a parked vehicle? Yeah, it doesn't seem to be moving. So mirror signal right. Right, so maybe after this big car that's coming past you. Yeah, keep in the centre of your lane. Right, now check the mirror and drift out. Signal off. When we've gone past this car, we need to come back in. So mirror signal. As soon as you're in, take the signal off. Signal off. Ease off the gas for the lights in case they change. Back on the gas. No, first gear, because your speed went really slow then. Make sure you don't stop on the pedestrian crossing. Mirrors. And then left of the traffic lights. Yep. Now just slow down, sometimes these lights change. Yeah, so keep going. Now we're going to go right at the traffic roundabout. No, not too much. Oh, stay. I'm going to have to brake for you. You went too far out. And did you indicate left to come off? No. You don't want to fail at the last hurdle just before you get back to the test centre. We'll pull up on the left. There's quite a lot of cars in there, so mirror signal. A little bit of brake. And stop.